Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Tariv Cloth Gloves in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This spot is at the north of the Deminis region in the Tariv village. If you don't have this part of the map unlocked yet, zoom out your map like this until the size of the word Deminis is this large, then draw a line from the middle of the letter M and E until you reach the top. The house we're looking for is this one with a bunch of clothes hanged in front. Inside will be the tailor shop where you'll be able to buy the Tariv Cloth Gloves. At first, this glove appears like it's nothing special with 13 attack, 3 defense, and a level 2 attack speed. But it's the best gloves in the game when it comes to DPS, since it's the only glove where the attack speed goes up to level 3 when maxed out. So, if you're looking for a high attack speed gear to increase your stat, then this glove should be your priority to acquire. And that is how to get the Tariv Cloth Gloves in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.